Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Play Soon. Also, welcome to the episode 27 of Leetcode SQL 50 Challenge. In the previous videos, we have covered a lot of topics, lot of problems, and now under the topic Advanced Selects and Joins, in this episode, we are going with the question consecutive numbers. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So, this is a medium level Leetcode question, consecutive numbers. It has only one table, that is logs table. It has two columns, one is ID column and the other is number column. So ID is the primary key of this table. It is an auto increment column. So each row it increments. So if the first row is 1, second row will be 2, third row will be 3, 100th row will be 100. It will be auto incremented. And number is a normal column. It has some value. Okay. Now we need to find all the numbers that appear at least 3 times consecutively. So when I say numbers, I'm talking about this column. So for example, you can see this is an ID column. It is auto increment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we don't not care about this column. We only consider this column, that is num column. We want to see if any number appears 3 times consecutively. 1, 1, 1. So 1 appears 3 times consecutively. That's why we print it in the output. And 2 does not appear again because we got 1. We have 2 more 2s. If we have 1 more 2, we can also print 2, but we don't have to. Right? So 1 is the only number that appear consecutively for the 3 times. That's why we will mention. It's not 3 times, it's at least 3 times. Okay. So now let's see how to write code for this type of problems. Also, I just wanted to tell you in the output, the column name is consecutive nums. So in the select, we are taking the distinct keyword. We are using distinct keyword because obviously we are checking for the same number consecutively. So obviously it is duplicate number. We don't want duplicate entries in the output, right? That's why we are using select distinct keyword and L1.num as consecutive nums. I'll talk about L1.num later. From, so whenever we write this from keyword, we mention table. But here what we are doing is, because we at least need 3 consecutive numbers, we will check for 3, right? So when we are checking for 3, the best idea is to use joins. Here we are using self join because we have only one table. So we are comparing the table with itself, right? That's why we are using self join. And we are creating 3 aliases. Why we are creating 3 aliases means we need 3 times, right? That's why the aliases are L1, L2 and L3. Now let me write the where condition. In the where condition, as you can see, L1.id is equals to L2.id minus 1. Now what it does is, it will make sure that L1 and L2 are consecutive in nature. This is L1 and then the next L2 will be pointing towards here. Okay, so that means consecutive. One after the other means consecutive. Similarly, L2.id is equals to L3.id minus 1. So L1 and L2 by this condition they are consecutive. L2 and L3 by this condition they are consecutive. Now we are checking if the number is consecutive, if the same number is consecutive. Like here we have 1, 1, 1. 1 is consecutive. That's why we need to make sure that the value is same. So L1.num is equals to L2.num. Again, L2.num is equals to L3.num, which obviously makes L3 is equals to L1, right? So L1, L2 and L3 are the same number. So if all these conditions are satisfied, we will print it under the column name consecutive nums. So this is pretty simple. We are using self join. We are creating 3 aliases, L1, L2 and L3. We are making sure with these 2 conditions that L1, L2 are consecutive and L2, L3 are consecutive in nature. And with these 2 conditions, we are making sure that all the 3 numbers are having the same number. If all these conditions are true, then only it will be printed in the result under the column name consecutive numbers. So to make all these conditions true, we are using a keyword called AND keyword. When you use AND keyword, this condition should be true. And again AND keyword between this condition and this condition. So this condition and this condition should be true. Again AND keyword here. So this condition and this condition should be true. Then only it can enter into the result table. So this is how we write this problem. This is also pretty simple, similar to last few problems. I hope you understood it. But still, if you have any questions, make sure you comment below. Also stay tuned for the upcoming videos. We're done with consecutive numbers. We are just left with 3 more questions under the topic advanced select and joins. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Get play soon. Also, please stay tuned with the series and get this batch once you're done with 50 questions. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.